Tina, you have to check this out. I just read an article on Time for Kids about Uranus and Neptune. It says they might have massive hidden oceans under their atmospheres.
Wait, what? Aren't those planets just big ball of gas and ice?
That's what I thought too. But according to the article, scientists now believe that beneath the thick clouds, there could be oceans that are nearly 5,000 miles deep.
Whoa, that's way deeper than Earth's ocean. How did they figure that?
Well, an astronomer named Burkhard Militzer and his team used computer simulations to model the internal structures of these planets. They discovered that instead of just being solid ice or gas all the way through, there's a strong chance a deep layer of water exists.
That's insane. But wait, if there's water, does that mean it's like an ocean on Earth with wave and currents?
Not exactly. The conditions inside Uranus and Neptune are so extreme, high pressure and crazy temperatures, that the water would exist in a supercritical state.
Supercritical. What does that mean?
It means that the water is not fully a liquid or a gas, but something kind of in between. It wouldn't have a surface like our oceans. It would be more like a dense, swirling, misty layer of hot
Hmm,
water.
that sounds so weird. It's like water behaving in a way we're never seeing before.
Exactly. And because it's so different, it makes scientists rethink how these planets were formed.
Okay, so if these hidden oceans exist, does that mean we have been wrong about Uranus and Neptune, right? This whole time?
Kind of. Before this, scientists thought Uranus and Neptune
Oh,
were just
Neptune.
solid icy cores surrounded by thick gas layers. But now they believe that these planets might actually be water worlds.
That's so cool. So they're not just giant like a Jupiter and Saturn.
Nope, Jupiter and Saturn are mostly hydrogen and helium, but Uranus and Neptune are called ice giants because they have more water and heavier elements inside of them.
Sounds like it's a big ball of ice or water. So now I have a big question. If there's water, could there be a life?
That's exactly what scientists are wondering. Water is a key ingredient for life, and on Earth, we've found creatures living in the most extreme environments, like deep sea hydrothermal vents.
You mean those weird tube worms and bacteria that survive in boiling water?
Yeah, so some scientists think if life can exist in extreme conditions here on Earth, maybe it could survive in the deep oceans of Uranus and Neptune too.
That's such a crazy thought. I wonder what kind of life would exist there. An alien fish? Microscopian creature?
No one knows. But even if there isn't life, studying these oceans could help us understand other water worlds outside of our solar system.
So, what do we actually find out if there's ocean exists? Have we sent any proof there?
Not yet, but NASA is considering sending a new mission to Uranus in the future.
No way. When?
There's no official date yet, but a Uranus mission is high on NASA's priority list. Scientists want to send an orbiter and maybe even a probe that could study the planet's atmosphere and internal structure.
That would be amazing. Have we ever sent a spacecraft to Uranus or Neptune before?
Only one, Voyager 2. It flew by way back in 1986 for Uranus and 1989 for Neptune.
Whoa, that's a decade ago. We really need an update.
Exactly. A new mission could help confirm if these hidden oceans really exist.
I love that we're still making discovering about our own solar system. It makes you wonder, what else don't we know?
So much. And that's why this article was so cool. Time for Kids makes learning about space fun and easy to understand.
Totally. It's crazy to think that place as far as Uranus and Neptune may hold secret about the universe.
And maybe even the possibility of life beyond Earth.
Okay, I need to read that article myself. What else does Time for Kids have?
Tons of stuff. They cover science, space, current events, and even let kid reporters write articles.
That's awesome. I'm sure our listener will love to read more about it. Please check our website to get more information about this article. Now it's our time for question of the week.
Yeah. Our question of the week is, if you had the chance, would you want to visit Uranus or Neptune?
What's your answer, Ruy?
Oh, absolutely.
But
Without question.
it's too cold. I can imagine, all the ice and the water must be very cold up there.
I'm sure you would have a nice, cozy spaceship to just enjoy it in.
Okay, and here are our 10 vocabulary. What do we have?
Our first vocabulary word is cloud. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud.
Cloud 云朵的意思，所以大气层里面有很多很多的云朵 cloud. And we can make a sentence of there's a cloud in the sky.
Our second word is internal. Internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L.
Internal 在这里面有指内在、内部。So this document is for internal use only. 这个只能内部使用。那我们在这里面也是用到这个星球里面的内部。
Our third word is simulation. Simulation. S-I-M-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Simulation.
Simulation 相似的，我们在大气层里面有相似的东西，像我们在现在的地球跟这个木星有相似的生物。我也可以说 There's a lot of simulation between you and me. 你跟我之间有很多相似的地方。
Our fourth word is ocean. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N.
Ocean.
Ocean.
海洋。我们怎么样使用这个单字呢？比方说 There's a lot of fish in our ocean.
Our fifth word is pressure. Pressure. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Pressure.
Pressure 是压力，比方说水在水底下会有一些压力，水压都可以用 pressure 这个字。We can use this word as there's a pressure under the water. It's hard for me to breathe.
Our sixth word is temperature. Temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature.
Temperature 温度，所以我们现在感受到的体温，我们也可以用这个字 temperature. We can also use this word. Today's temperature is very low. Don't forget your jacket.
Our seventh word is surround. Surround. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D.
Surround 周围，我们在地球周围都是海洋。We are surrounded by the ocean. 地球是被海洋所包围。
Our eighth word is condition. Condition. condition.
Condition 状态，所以我们现在的状态是什么样子的呢？
For example, John's condition is not very well. I think he should go home now.
Our ninth word is survive. Survive. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. Survive.
Survive 存活，所以在外星球里面没有空气，是否能存活？
For example, I can't survive without air in the space.
Our 10th and final word is mission. Mission. M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Mission.
Mission 在这里面有，比方说我是要出任务，我现在有一个主要任务 mission。
For example, our mission of this semester is to learn 100 words. That's our 10 vocabulary of this week. Please don't forget to join us on the website and enter your question of the week. There's a chance you can win a great prize. Once again, thanks for joining us.
See you next time. Goodbye.